Hey everyone, back again for a quick, simple pump session. Some days it doesn't flow easily, and that's totally normal. Over time, I've found a few things that help me stay consistent, so today I'm keeping it calm and straightforward. I start with my usual setup, take a moment to relax, and give myself a few quiet minutes. No pressure, no rushing, just focusing on what I need to do, and then moving on with my day. I begin with a very light, gentle rhythm. I don't even pay attention to the bottle at first. I'll scroll on my phone or listen to music to stay relaxed. Once I feel that initial letdown, I switch into a slower, deeper pattern. Here's what works for me. I stick with one side and keep the rhythm steady, squeeze, hold, release. It becomes almost automatic, like a flow you can settle into. If I notice an area that still feels a bit full, I'll gently massage it in slow circles while maintaining suction. That really helps with fully emptying. And just like that, smooth, clear, and done. Once you find your rhythm, it stops feeling like a task and just becomes a small, easy part of your day. That's it for today. Simple, quick, and effective. Take care, and you've got this yellow heart.